This is the large multi-pack of hinges that I bought. Let's open this thing up and check them out. When you open it up, you're going to find, it comes with all the little screws that you need if you're going to be putting them on wood frames or wood doors. And then these are the hinges themselves. Pretty nice hinges. Got the pin in them so you can take them apart if you need to. They are countersunk here, so they fit well with these screws that they come with. Yeah, and, they're pretty good size. I mean, that's a standard size door hinge. So we bought this huge multi-pack so we can use these with some doors that we're making for some sheds. And these should work out really well. You can use these hinges for all kinds of things. This huge multi-pack, I mean, this could probably do every door in our house. But we're going to be using these for some shed doors that we're doing. And we need quite a few of them, so they're all right here. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.